Hey, hello everyone. Do you know why I'm happy today? Yes, of course. Finally, मेरा first payment आ चुका है. Okay, my first payment is credited in my account, and I got a message from YouTube that they have sent a payment on 21st June, but it took more than 10 days. I was worried that why it took much longer than I expect, but finally मेरा YouTube payment आ चुका है. So thank you so much all the supporters. Because of you only today I achieve. So this is the most happiest moment for me. आप लोग का सपोर्ट का वजह से ये मेरा पेमेंट हुआ है. So thank you so much all the supporters. And then इतना मेहनत करने के बाद मेरा पेमेंट आया है. So I would like to dance. Come on. And then I would like to tell about my YouTube journey. I have created since 2018, 22 July. It took long days to get a payment. But once again, finally payment मिल चुका है. And creating my channel is not about earning. But yes, though I'm not creating a channel to earn money, but yes, getting money is a happiest moment for me. And then today on this video, I'm going to tell about my best quality. In the last video, I posted that what is the best quality in me, but most of the people failed to give the right answer. So according to my observation, according to me, my best quality in me is that I never ever skip the comment. I usually reply all the comments. So this is the best quality in me. If you can see and if you can check the comment. So friend, here is your answer, and your answer is also the right one. Your quality is speaking confidently, bro, keep it up. Okay, here is my answer. Okay, you're very good in blocking YouTube video. You're the best in community. That is why we subscribe. Okay, thank you so much. And your best quality is speaking confidently. Okay, your best quality is talking style and confidently in every way you speak. Okay, your best quality is your confidence speaking. Okay, thank you, bro. When everyone is giving the same answer, so I just share my opinion. I may be confidently speak in front of the crowd or in front of people, but I just share my opinion. Okay, never mind. And then yes, I'm sure everyone is willing to know how much I earn and how much I got from YouTube. So now is the right time to reveal how much I earn and how much I got from YouTube. But it's not right. According to YouTube guideline, I should not reveal how much I earn and how much I got from YouTube. But I'm going to give an idea. Yes, I got $100. And to earn money from YouTube is not an easy. Yeah, I took much effort. इतना मेहनत करने के बाद ही मेरा पेमेंट आया है. So everyone, अगर आप कमाना चाहता हो तो मेहनत करना पड़ता है. Hard working is really needed to achieve goal. Every success is after mehnat. So let us know how much subscriber, how much viewers, how much watch time do you need to monetize or to earn money from YouTube. Yes, after crossing 1K subscriber, 4,000 watch time, only you can monetize your channel. And then after monetizing your channel from advertise, only you earn money. I to earn through advertise. Without monetizing, no advertisement will be there. No advertisement will be shown in the screen. And then I really love YouTube. I would like to thank to all the supporters. Because of you only today I'm here and I reach up to this much with your support and love. So I would like to request all the subscribers, all the viewers to keep on supporting. And then finally, yes, here is a good news for you. Today we are going to have a giveaway. So every viewers, everyone can participate. So I'm going to tell you how to participate in the giveaway. So you may go to the comment section and comment something, whatever you want. Write in the comment section and post it. From there, only I'm going to select 2 persons. So the winner is going to be very happy. You find the comment section below the video. After typing whatever in the comment section, you can press the arrow mark so that it will reach to me. From that only I'm going to select. Yes, there will be 2 selected candidate. So you are free to comment in the comment section. You can write whatever you want. You can scold me, you can give a word of love or a word of appreciation. You can give any comment in the comment section, so that I'm going to pick from comment section only, and then I'm going to select a 2 participant. So I'm going to give something. I don't know what I'm going to give, and I'm not going to tell you now. I'm sure that you're ready to participate. So let's participate, everyone, and I will let you know who is the most 2 luckiest person. Now your time start. You can comment in the comment section. Hi, hello, maybe I love you, I hate you. Yes, you can give any suggestion, you can give any comment. You're free to write whatever you want. From there only I'm going to choose 2 candidates. So the selected one will be getting something special. Let us know who is the luckiest person, who will be the winner. I don't know. So you can participate. Love you all. Because of you only today I'm happy and I'm here and I reach up to this much because of your support and love only. So thank you so much everyone, and आप लोग ज़रूर बताइए मुझे नेक्स्ट कंटेंट पे क्या वीडियो